Hi and welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how I put on the screen protector for my 11-inch iPad Pro. Before we get into that, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. I post videos about gadgets, gears, cameras, and just tech in general. And if you're interested in buying the screen protector that I'm talking about in this video, or interested in getting the same gears that I have them linked down below in the description box for you. Please check those affiliate links out. Any item you buy using those links will give me a small percentage and will help to grow the channel. Alright, so the brand that I went with is called AINOPE. Terrible name. I got these from Amazon. The reason why I chose this is because they include a guide or an install frame, which is very crucial in getting that perfect alignment. It's got cutout for the front facing camera too. And another reason is because they include 2 screen protectors just in case I mess up the first installation or if I need a replacement because of wear and tear down the line. So first thing I did is to turn off the iPad, then wipe the screen down using the included wet wipes and wipe them thoroughly. Just a friendly reminder, although these are wet wipes, don't apply too much pressure as you don't want to risk scratching the screen. After that, wipe them down with the dry cloth. It's also included in the kit. The next step is something that a lot of people skip, and that is to use the dust sticker. I ran the dust sticker around the screen so many times. Any little dust that you have on the screen will create bubble on the screen protector and will ruin the clean look you're going after. Then, when I felt ready, I placed the guide on the iPad and then I ran the sticker around again to ensure any dust particles dropped on the screen during the process is removed. So as you can see, the install frame gives you a generally decent idea of where the screen protector will land. However, there is about 2mm gap from each side to the frame, so there is a lot of give. In here you can see, after my first drop, I had to carefully remove the screen protector because it was set too much on one side. I decided to remove the guide and do it manually from there on. I was really glad I installed this with no bubble on the first screen protector I used. You can see here under the reflections that there is no bubble whatsoever. I can also confirm the screen protector didn't affect my touch inputs or gestures. The Apple Pencil still works, Face ID still works. I used the iPad Pro with Logitech's Folio Touch keyboard case, which has a bumper all around the iPad and fit great. It didn't affect the screen protector. That's it guys, I hope this helps. If you are on the market for a screen protector, as you probably know, there are a lot of overpriced screen protectors out there. I can totally recommend this for the amount of screen protectors, the guide frame, the wipes, the dust stickers they included for this whole kit. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tech videos, and I'll see you on the next one.